there guys, Sam again with another tactical unboxing video. This one just came from Weapon762. So yeah, I have a cooperation with these guys. You will see down below on the link in my bio profile. You can actually see I have a discount from their eShop. It came from Spain in around 7 days, so it was pretty fast. And here we will make a little unboxing of this epic package. So let's open it and see what we have here. TMC Generation 3 Combat Shirt. This is the Desert Night camo. I couldn't find anywhere else, but the guys over on Weapon762 had it. Okay, let me wear this one and continue the video. Okay, so I wear these. This you can find them with this code. Don't know if you can see it. This is TMC 2899. So yeah, you can actually see over here the Velcro. We have a pocket. TMC. This is small. I wear normally small in these shirts. Don't know if you can actually see the color on these. This is epic. It's really nice. Of course, this is Generation 3. So you can see the actual cuts over here. Also you can mount some pads. Over here you can actually see it. Inner pads. Over here. It's really nice. Yeah, so this one will be my next photo on my Instagram. So stay tuned to see it on the go. Okay, so I love this one. So I will continue the video wearing this one. The next one is okay. It's this one. This is the actual helmet. Yeah. Some other stuff inside. Let's leave this aside. This one is called. You can actually find it as TMC MTH. This is the ID for this product, and this is a grey helmet, really great quality. You can actually feel the outside. It has some really nice texture on it. On the side we have the rail system. On the side and on the back you can actually see the mounting mechanism. This is super comfortable to wear. This one is the medium large. I don't know if you can see it inside. Yeah, and it comes with some Velcro, so you can stick it on the outside of the helmet. It already has pre-installed the pads on the inside. Of course you can remove anything you don't want. They have the groove on the inside if you want to wear some more hearing protection headphones. Yeah, I'm a fan of helmets. On the front we have a plastic mount for the NVG, the night vision goggles. Nothing else on the back. Nice. But the quality on this one, I'm really amazed by this one. Great. Nice. Great job on this one, Weapon762. this one. It was on promotion. I guess it was around 7 euros. Pretty sure, yeah, it was somewhere there. And this is an actual smoke grenade with the pouch. The price is excellent. Even from China you will find them a lot more expensive than this one. From the other side, of course, from here. There you go. There you have it. That's a really nice milsim gadget to have it on you. This is a mask, again the same color with this one, Desert Night. I'm trying to build a full loadout out of this. It is really thick. You can actually feel it has double layer of cloth with some elastic rubber ear pieces over here. That's really nice. Next one is full metal Multicam Balaclava. This is a full face mask and it comes with a pre-installed metal mesh to protect your face. You have a beautiful face, and let me show you. You can actually wear it just like that. You can push the metal piece over here if you want to protect and get a little better on your face. It's really nice. This was from TMC, excellent quality. And let's move on to the last package, and this is this one. And what we have here? Airsoft Locos pads. This will be for me. And the WS Marui Gbb Outer Barrel. This was only 7 euros, I think. The quality and the price is unbelievable on this one. There you can see. This is 7-inch and WS Outer Barrel. Next one, I tried to find these on YouTube and how this one works. This is from Ares Amoeba. This is a speed loader, and I was trying to see if I can make it work with the MWS Marui magazines. This will be pretty handy. Okay, we will make a different review on this one. And last but not least, this is the TMC PVS 15. Nice, that's really nice. This is a 1:1 copy of the original. You can actually see the quality is plastic, but it's ABS plastic, so it's good quality. And this one, of course, this is for simulation, cosplay. Yeah, it doesn't actually work. You can actually see through. Some blue filter, can you see? Yeah. So that was it. Thanks again Weapon762 and Airsoft Locos for this one. Thanks again Brandy, and I hope you liked this video. I hope I helped you a little bit with this video unboxing preview on these things. It wasn't a review, but yeah, if you want to see anything from these items in a different video, please leave a comment down below and I will hear you. So thanks again for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.